Properties of addition of integers. Objectives: closure property, commutative property, associative law, existence of additive identity, additive inverse of an integer. Integers play a significant role in accountancy. Computations involved with banking are with integers, as credit and debit are represented by positive and negative numbers. Let's learn the properties of integers. Closure property of addition. Let a and b are integers and a plus b equals to c. Here, c is also an integer. For example, 6 plus 4 equals to 10. 6, 4 and 10 are integers. 8 plus of minus 3 equals to 5. 8 minus 3 and 5 are integers. Minus 2 plus of minus 7 equals to minus 9. Minus 2, minus 7 and minus 9 are integers. Commutative property of addition. If we add any two integers, a and b, in any order, gives us the same sum. If a and b are any two integers, then a plus b equals to b plus a. Nine plus of minus 4 equals to 5. Minus 4 plus 9 equals to 5. 9 plus of minus 4 equals to minus 4 plus 9. Minus 8 plus of minus 5 equals to minus 13. Minus 5 plus of minus 8 equals to minus 13. Therefore, minus 8 plus of minus 5 equals to minus 5 plus of minus 8. Associative law. If we group any three integers, a, b, and c, in any order, it gives us the same sum. If a, b, and c are any three integers, then a plus b plus c equals to a plus of b plus c. Example: 8 minus 5 and minus 6. 8 plus of minus 5 plus of minus 6. 8 plus of minus 5 equals to 3 plus of minus 6 equals to minus 3. 8 plus of minus 5 plus of minus 6 equals to 8 plus of minus 11 equals to minus 3. 8 plus of minus 5 plus of minus 6 equals to 8 plus of minus 5 plus minus 6. Existence of additive identity. For any integer, we have a plus 0 equals to 0 plus a equals to a. For example, 6 plus 0 equals to 6. Minus 7 plus 0 equals to minus 7. Additive inverse of an integer. For any integer, we have a plus of minus a equals to minus a plus a equals to 0. Opposite of a is minus a. A and minus a are called additive inverse of each other. For example, 7 plus of minus 7 equals to minus 7 plus 7 equals to 0. Minus 3 plus 3 equals to 3 plus of minus 3 equals to 0. Additive inverse of a positive integer is a negative integer. Additive inverse of a negative integer is a positive integer.